Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this House prefer lockdown policies to the lockdown policies decision in the federal government to made regionally, e.g., by states, provinces, rather than by the central government. Ladies and gentlemen, we should know the existence of this motion is because the pandemic attack caused by COVID-19, where the COVID-19 virus can be transmitted easily with a lot of mediators such as handshake, touches, or maybe a cough, and this COVID-19 have a lot of variants and have a different symptoms with that variants. With a lot of different variants also, it cause the different needed and different treatment, different drugs, and something like that. What we mean with lockdown policy decision in federal government made regionally is we give an authority to the states or provinces to make their own lockdown. Why it is so? Because we think we cannot generalize our condition during this COVID-19 pandemic, and just like I said, we cannot easily identify that which is variants of virus that already spread in the several provinces in Indonesia. So the one that literally know about the current condition on the specific location such as a provinces is their own self. I mean the regional government itself, not the central government. Three main characters on this debate. First, the central government. Central government is the one that rule the whole country, but in this case, the role of a central government not much needed. To make a lockdown not much needed. Why I said so? Because we know the in the several region have a different needed because of have a several variants of virus maybe, or several or maybe the different problem that needed in the several area. For example, what we need in Jakarta, especially what we the example just like what we need in Jakarta special different with what we need in Banten, which is Jakarta have a high number of infection people, and also right now Jakarta fighting with a new variant of COVID-19 coming from India, Delta plus COVID-19. But comparing with Banten, for example, Banten provinces, for example, but the Banten provinces didn't have a much worse high number of infection just like Jakarta. And also, Banten didn't fight with a new variant of COVID-19 Delta Plus coming from India. But if but in the current condition, Jakarta is the one of the provinces that needed lockdown as fast as we can. Why? Because we should to stop the transmission of the COVID-19 virus in Jakarta, and we should to stop the people movement that move from the Jakarta to out there to another provinces to prevent that COVID-19 infection. But comparing with Banten, if Banten that the provinces didn't have a high number of infection just like Jakarta, that and also Banten right now is a provinces that fighting to recover their economic environment, to recover their economic provinces. If Banten made a lockdown just like Jakarta, it's probably will be problematic because Banten, the recovery economic that doing right now in Banten is probably get much worse, or maybe the economic provinces of Banten will be get crash. And the second is the regional government. The regional government is the one that rule the certain area, and why we think this regional government have a main role to make a lockdown on their own region, because we think that the regional government know well about their current condition against this pandemic, and because of that this COVID-19 also have a lot of variants, and because of that a lot of variants, this COVID-19 has a lot of information that needed to cure that COVID-19. This information is important, and if we wait the information delivered by the hospital to the regional government, and the regional government deliver the information to the central government, and central government made that decision to solve this kind of problem, will be problematic because it's got much a long time period to wait and to wait or maybe to deliver this information, and to wait that central government to identify the information and made a decision, made a policy that what we need. And also it will be more be problematic because why? Because the information that gather in central Jakarta is probably a lot, because the information not just coming from the one provinces but in a lot of provinces, and maybe the decision that made it by the central government not have a match solution, not have a match a problem to solve our solution in the several provinces. Maybe the decision making that made by the Jakarta is matched to this to solve the solution, to solve the problem in Banten, but it's not just it's not just also have a same condition to the Jakarta. The third is a citizen. Citizen was an actor that should we protect to our with our decision. First, first point in my argument, the efficiency of the policy that made by the regional government probably would more efficient rather than central government. Latest cases of Jakarta COVID-19 infection number is getting much higher than before. From earlier, Anies Baswedan as a governor of the Jakarta have the initiation to make a lockdown policies. Anies know exactly the current condition of Jakarta during this pandemic, and he have an idea to make a lockdown. But in this case, the initiative made by Anies is not that work, because Jokowi as a president that rule, the central government doesn't give him the permission to do that. The central government have too much consideration to make a policy, because Jokowi should think the condition of the whole country before make a policy, and at the end of the day Jokowi make a policy so late to prevent COVID-19 in Jakarta. Or maybe the solution that Jokowi have made is just get much worse and it's just bad. But you can imagine if if you can imagine if the central government give an authority to the local government to make their own policy from the beginning, maybe the condition of the Jakarta will not much worse. Just like right now. Why it is so? Because the governor already know about this COVID-19 attack in the region, and they have information about that, and they are really understood about the next action, the next step they should to take to prevent this COVID-19. And also, if the region have to lockdown made by the regional government, we can make an efficiency of the process of giving a social assistance. We can easily to mapping which is our citizen that should be our priorities, and which is citizen that needed our help, and the social assistant have a high probability to right on target. Comparing with the social assistant that giving by the central government, it's probably distributed, but I don't think it will be efficient. And we can see the phenomena about the misdirected social assistant that delivered by the central government is get much worse. Why it just happened? Because the central government didn't have much information about the citizen data, or maybe the update information that central government needed is too late to given, because we have a complicated bureaucracy to deliver our information, even on distributed the information. And the result when the central government have a lack of information, it will be have a problem at the end of the day. Maybe that's all I have. Thank you.